So welcome to Challenge the Road. We have our Nissan Skyline GT-R V-Spec II on collecting cars. We'd love you to follow the journey. It's on the auction for the next 7 days, but let's just talk about R34s. You've probably seen the films, Fast and Furious, Paul Walker, all these bits out there about Nissan Skyline, and that was why I bought the car. But obviously now I'm looking for a new custodian of this, someone who's going to take this on, enjoy it, and go to car shows. V-Spec means victory specification for Nissan. This is a V-Spec II, so you get the carbon bonnet, slightly different console, knacker duct on here. I do like this, it makes it for me. Now this car is only 13,969 kilometers, so about 8,000 miles. Beautiful example. I've done a paint report on this car as well. Had a little bit of paint on the front, but a lot of these cars have had stuff done, but it's original panels, absolutely original panels. Options on this. It's got optional raised wheels, Olin suspension, which I love. I've tuned it for road reuse. It drives fantastic. HKS exhaust on the back. Let's go to paintwork. Pearl white, 6% of GTRs are in pearl white. Very short production run, 1999 to 2002. So very short, just a 3-year span of these. And this car is a 2002, so it's in the last 100 of cars made. And I do love pearl white. I think it looks fantastic, especially with these gold wheels, where you know I like gold wheels. But we want to follow the journey, and we want you to come with us. You know, we want you to see what this car goes for, how the auction runs. We're going to be doing some videos through the week, some shorts, and we'll do a video at the end to see what it goes for. But it is absolutely immaculate. Elite finishes, done all the detail on this. It's been ceramic coated. The interior is like new. And you'll see on the B-roll, it's absolutely fantastic. But I'm going to be sad to see it go, but I've done a lot with collecting cars on 22Bs, the GT4 we've done, so we've bought quite a few bits from them and sold quite a few cars with them, so I'm really interested myself. The other thing, it has some Nismo upgrades. So on the back, you'll see there's Nismo lights. They look amazing, and I've heard that if you want to buy them separately, they're like £6,000–7,000 now, if you can get them. So it's got some really cool touches that if I was buying one, this would be the spec I would want. So yeah, please follow Challenge the Road, but also follow Collecting Cars. Have a look at the auction. Let's see how it goes, see what that drive, you know, that price gets to. And I'd love you to like and share this video, and then maybe get other people to follow the auction. And maybe you're thinking about doing an auction for your car this year. See you again soon.